Hello my friend, how are you doing? In this class I'm gonna read a story to you. But before I start, I ask you, please like this class, comment this class, and share this class with your friends. Comparte todas nuestras clases con tus amigos. Esto nos ayuda mucho. Okay? Listen. All aboard, furry neighbors. Have you ever lived next door to a boat? How about a boat full of cats? Amsterdam, the largest city in the Netherlands, is full of canals. There are many different kinds of boats on the canals. Some of them carry people and goods. Some have shops or restaurants on them, while others are houseboats, boats that people live on. But not only people live on these houseboats. Cats do too, at least on 2 of them. It all began in 1966 with a stray cat, her kittens, and a kind woman named Henriette. I would like to ask you, where is Amsterdam? Amsterdam is full of lakes, canals, or rivers. What kinds of boats can you see in Amsterdam? Answer these questions, go on our website. Next class we continue this story. Thank you very much. I'm Felipe Gibi. See you next class. It all began in 1966 with a stray cat, her kittens, and a kind woman named Henriette.